Hi, welcome to Living as a Life Artist. My name is Melina, and you're either visiting me on YouTube or on my blog, which is livingasalifeartist.blogspot.com. Today I'm going to go over my design team kit from Everything Scrapbooks and Stamps in Lake Worth. I've already posted one of my layouts on the site, my blog, and you can see it and leave comments if you wish. But these are the Mind's Eye 29th Street papers, and they really have a nice quality to them, and I've been experimenting with doing different things. And this one I really like the idea of the big photo and then cutting out the shape. So that was something new to me, and I really enjoyed working with that. The next thing I did was a card, and I'm really not a card person, so I basically take it as a challenge to, here's the design team kit product and what do you do with it. So I kind of like the extensions. This is going to be my signature. I was making these cards that have extensions. So I used a holographic embossing powder on the happy birthday, and then I just used the die cuts from Mind's Eye. So it was really nice with the ribbon for texture. My next thing that I'm going to show you is actually planning a page. So I have some papers left over, and I'm going to do one more layout. So I'm going to show you my pictures and kind of like what I'm thinking about the composition, and then I'll show you the final layout. Or here are two pictures that I took of me. This is self-portraits basically, and this is me and my purse. And then I took another picture, and I love this composition. I'm really into fashion photography and advertising, so I really think that this one is a stronger piece. If you take this away, I really think that would be a magazine ad for this purse, which is I think United Colors of Bennington, something like that. I don't know. I'm a TJ Maxx person, and that's where I get all my purses. So here's a plain piece of pink cardstock, and then I have the die cuts that I used. And so I'm going to place the photos pretty much side by side, use a piece of pattern paper, and then I cut out a strip of green paper. This is the back of the same paper. And I used, woo, look at that, Deco scissors. These are the maxi cut. And then I used just a small hole puncher, and I made this edge myself. So I'm going to place that at the bottom. Then I was thinking about all the other papers that I can use, using just bits and pieces of what's left over. So then I have each one of these papers, a red cardstock, and then this one is actually one of my favorite. So these are the Mind's Eye papers, and I cut the strips off, but they are the 29th Street collection. And then this is another part of the kit. It is these Primas glitter things. I don't know what they're called. I have that somewhere. It's behind me. It is Seiden crystals from Prima. So there, can you see it? So that's what those are, and somehow I'm going to incorporate that with my purse. And I have these Love Me collection love letter from, who's this from? Imaginis. And for some reason these stickers do not match the layout. So I took a color box, and which are these fluid chalks, and I just did like a little experiment with them, and I used one of them, and I tried to, you can see this, I'll pull it out. You can see, right? Can you see that? Okay, so basically I turned the light pink into a little bit more of a regular pink, I guess. It's kind of fuchsia-ish. So it would match these papers, see? Not bad. So I was just going to use that, or I was just going to turn them gray. Still working on that, and you'll see the end product because I'm going to work on it now for the next few hours. And then I'll get back to you with my finished product. So, hope you like it. Alright, so I finished. So this is my final layout, and you can see that I decided to go with the gray letter stickers. I just inked those, and I repeated the border twice, put the Prima Say It With Crystals on the side, I layered the papers, and I wrote for the journaling, I love to carry my big purse, which weighs about 7 to 8 pounds. I have everything in it. And so I go everywhere with my purse. And sometimes I have even uneven borders in my layouts. Sometimes it's on purpose, and sometimes it's serendipitous, and in this case it's the latter, but I like it, so I kept it. And in this one, here's the Say It With Crystals also as a detail layered on top of the cut out, the punched flowers. And then this is a plastic arrow, which I adhered with the Ranger glossy accents. Starting to really like that. And then again, my card, so you can see it, where the ribbon is used for texture, and the embossed, the holographic embossed happy birthday, just Versamarked the whole thing, embossed it. Really was impressed. Have a few pop dots underneath here, and this is a chipboard piece from Technique Tuesday, I believe. Thank you for coming and watching my vlog on livingasalifeartist.blogspot.com. Until next time, when I'll be on location, hopefully in Florida Everglades. Very exciting! Namaste.